Today in the Anglo classroom, we'll see the oxymoron. Let's start with what is an oxymoron? The oxymoron is a word group made of two words that contradict each other. It's a rhetorical device that uses an ostensive self-contradiction to illustrate a rhetorical point to reveal a paradox. The oxymoron is a noun. It's a figure of speech in which two words with opposing meanings are used together intentionally for effect. This purpose is a marginal meaning of contradiction in terms, but hold on. For sure, you're lost. But let's make it easier. The oxymoron. The oxymoron is a phrase that combines normally contradictory terms. For example, jump shrimp, soft rock, almost exactly, and same difference. But what is the purpose to use them together? Let's explain it. Let's use these examples. For example, soft rock. The use of these words, which are contradictory, it's to express a deeper meaning. For example, the rocks are a material which this material it's very hard. Soft can be quality of the rocks, but here when we use soft rock, we are saying, or we are trying to say, that it's a soft rock, but not in a literary meaning. It's metaphorical meaning. I'm going to give you an example. When he has a girlfriend, he behaves like a soft rock. So this example doesn't mean that he is a rock. No, it is related, or it has to deal with the fact that he is, maybe the man is a very rude person, or his behavior it's hard. Resuming, the literary oxymoron should reveal a deeper truth through their contradictions. Now, here's a little difference between paradox and oxymoron, and I'm going to explain them. Paradox is a seemingly contradiction statement which may prove to be well-founded or true upon further analysis. Also, arrests attention and provokes innovate thoughts, or also can be created using an oxymoron. That's why many people confuses oxymorons and paradox. On the other side, oxymoron it's apparently contradiction terms that appear in conjunction, also creates dramatic effects, and usually it's used in order to create paradox. But why? But how does it works? I'm going to explain you in the next examples. Not all the oxymorons have to or must be used with literary purposes. There are some examples here. The oxymoron used as literary or language resource is the first one, silence scream. Just think about it. Why silent should scream if you're in silence? That's the main purpose of the oxymorons. The main purpose is to try to express something that you can't with normal words, or you must use these resources in order to explain them in a wider or in a deeper meaning. Or sometimes they are used to create a little bit of drama for the reader or the user. Sometimes they are used to make a person stop and think, whether that's to laugh or to wonder.